In this video, we will see how to delete WordPress theme in two ways. One, WordPress dashboard, and two, CPanel. More themes on your site means more storage space and can reduce the time of loading the site. It's better to delete them. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get updates when new content is added. In your WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance, then click Themes tab. Next, in your WordPress themes page, hover over and click Themes Details button on the specific theme you want to delete. Next, scroll to the bottom right and click the Delete button on the theme page. Confirm deletion and done. Next, we will see how to delete the theme in CPanel. Go to your CPanel web host. Next, we need to go to the file manager where our WordPress files are located. So click Manage under Web Hosting section and next click CPanel Admin button. Next, in CPanel Settings page, click File Manager option. Next, click Public HTML directory where all the WordPress sites are installed. If your domain is the main website domain in your host, your WordPress site will be installed in the public HTML directory. Then follow these steps. Select WP Content folder. Next, select the Themes folder and then click the theme folder you want to delete and click Delete button in the top. Your entire theme along with the files will be deleted. If you have more than one website or add-on domain in your web host, besides your main website domain, follow these steps. Each WordPress site will be installed in its own directory under the website domain name. Click the folder. Next, select WP Content folder. Next, select Themes folder and then click the theme folder you want to delete and click Delete button in the top. Your entire theme along with the files will be deleted. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.